In this video is about how to make a modern house. And first of all, we can use the rectangle, and we can click from this position until to this position, like this, approximately around 23 and 17 meters. And we can click this one and select push pull around 300 millimeter. We can triple click and make group. Then we can select move, tap control. We can type 6 meter and enter. Okay, then we can click the rectangle, click from the corner until the corner, and click the rectangle and offset it inside. Sorry, we can offset it inside around 1 meter. Okay, then we can click right click and erase. Then we can triple click this outline and erase, click the surface and push it until the position. Then we can make group. Okay, then we can click and erase this one. Okay, then we can click the line and select move and place to the position. Then we can type 6/ and enter. Okay, then now we can make the another roof. We can make the another roof. We can make rectangle again in here, and we can push it up. Can triple click, make group. Okay, then we can rotate. We can rotate, and then we can type 5, enter. Okay, we can click from the corner to the corner in here. Okay, then we can offset it inside, erase, triple click, erase. Okay, then we can click this surface and we can move it up like this. Okay, then we can click from this intersection to this intersection and push it until to the limit, triple click, and also the make group. And now we can assign the materials with using the materials option on the right side in here. Okay, we can select the dark color of the materials for the roof, and now we can select the glazing materials. Okay, in this position. Anyway, this is just a basic concept, and we can imagine that this is about the solid walls, and also the solid walls in here. So this is about the basic concept of the exterior, and I hope it will be the inspiration to all of you about this basic concept. And then we can now select the another materials like this to make the variation of the front materials, and also this one. Okay. Okay, and then we can also change the style to this position, and we can also make another plans over there like this. Okay, and we can activate the shadow in here, and it's done. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.